Hello guys, this is Chioma from Kiddies Droid. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about robotics. Yes, we are entering into the amazing world of robotics, and we're going to be making use of our Arduino kit. And to write our code, we're going to be making use of the PictoBlox software for now. And then later on, as we progress, we're going to also make use of the Arduino IDE software. So PictoBlox is a fantastic visual programming software that simplifies Arduino coding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, PictoBlox is an excellent tool for unleashing your creativity. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at what PictoBlox has to offer. PictoBlox is a user-friendly visual programming software designed to make Arduino programming a breeze. It can provide graphical interface where you can drag and drop blocks to build your project. This eliminates the need for syntax and makes programming accessible to everyone. So to get started, we need to install the PictoBlox on our computer. You can find the download link on our description below. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to select the appropriate options for your operating system. Now that we have PictoBlox installed, it's time to take a closer look at the interface. So now that we have PictoBlox installed, let's take a closer look at the interface. When you launch PictoBlox, you will see the stage, the sprite area, and the blocks palette. The stage is where your project will come to life. The sprite area is where you can add characters or images, and the blocks palette contains all the coding blocks you'll use to control your Arduino program. So next, let's connect our Arduino board to the computer. Arduino boards come in various types such as the Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, or Arduino Mega. Grab your Arduino board and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure the cable is securely plugged into both the board and the computer. So I have my Arduino board here. I'm using the Arduino Uno, and this is my USB cable. So I'm going to be connecting my Arduino board to my USB cable and connecting it to my computer. So once it lights up, it means that it is successfully connected. So now to establish communication between PictoBlox and our Arduino board, we are going to be selecting the board on the software. So all you have to do is come up here, select the board that you are using and make use of the Arduino Uno. And then after that, you connect your board to the port that it is connected to on your laptop. So it has been successfully connected, and now we have all these new blocks added to our blocks palette. This will enable PictoBlox to establish communication with your Arduino board. Now let's take a look at some of the common components we'll find in an Arduino kit. These components are like the building blocks we'll use in creating our project. First, we have the breadboard. The breadboard is a rectangular board with holes for connecting and prototyping circuits. It allows us to easily connect components without soldering. Light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, are small electronic components that emit light when an electrical current passes through them. They come in various colors and are perfect for visual feedback in your project. Resistors. Resistors limit the flow of electrical current in a circuit. They help protect components from excess voltage and ensure proper functioning. Push buttons. Push buttons are small buttons which allows users to input commands or trigger actions in our project. They act as simple switches that can be pressed or released. Now that we are familiar with PictoBlox and the Arduino components, let's build our first project, blinking an LED. This project is an excellent starting point to understand the basics of programming with PictoBlox. So to make our blinking LED project, we are going to be connecting our LED light to our breadboard. This is the short leg of my LED light, this is the longer leg of my LED light. So I'm connecting it to breadboard, then I'll be connecting my jumper wires to the LED light. So this red jumper is going to the long leg, and I'm connecting it to pin 2 of my Arduino board. Yeah. Then I'll connect the short leg to GND. To GND. So next all I have to do is connect my Arduino board to my system. And the light that is showing shows that it has been successfully connected. So now let's write the code. Okay, so now we have our PictoBlox open. It's time for us to write the code. The very first thing to do is to select your board. I am working with Arduino Uno, so I'll select that. Then I'm going to connect my port. I am connected on COM5, so connect. Then we are going to switch the mode to be able for us to be able to bring out this when Arduino Uno starts up. We have to switch the mode to upload mode. So now we can bring out when Arduino Uno starts up. So we're bringing that out. So for us to be able to make our LED lights blink, we are going to bring out forever. Then set digital pin 13 output as high. Our LED light is connected on pin 2, so we are changing this 13 to 2 as high. So this high is also the same thing as on, is the same thing as true. So when we say set digital pin 2 output as high, it's just practically telling us to turn on the LED light. So when we turn on the LED light, the next thing is to wait 1 second. After it waits 1 second, it's going to go off. So I'm bringing this out again, changing it to pin 2. Now it's not going to be high anymore. We are changing it to low. So this will turn it on, this will turn it off. We'll add another wait 1 second. So the code is complete at this stage. The next thing to do is to upload our code. Speed up this process. So this is the LED lights blinking. We have done it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in our next video. Bye.